Welcome to Easy Peasy English. Big learning made simple. Let's get into it. Go with the flow.
Go with the flow. Don't sass me.
Don't sass me.
Are you out of your mind?
Are you out of your mind?
What's the rush? What's the rush?
Break a leg.
Break a leg.
He is a handful.
He is a handful. So far so good.
So far so good.
I didn't tell him anything.
I didn't tell him anything.
Cut it out.
Cut it out.
Don't sell yourself short.
Don't sell yourself short. I have a lot going on.
I have a lot going on. I'll see you when I see you.
I'll see you when I see you.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. It's a big difference.
It's a big difference. I'm a little under the weather.
I'm a little under the weather. Thanks for learning with Easy Peasy English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun lessons. See you next time. Stay peasy.